My dear student of standard 10, now I am going to explain you the heating effect of electric current. As you have seen, you might have seen that when current is passed through any conductor, conductor becomes hot. जब करंट किसी कंडक्टर से जाते हैं तो कंडक्टर हॉट हो जाता है, गर्म हो जाता है। ये कैसे हो जाता है? और ये जो गर्म होता है, इसी इफेक्ट को हम लोग करंट जाने से होता है। करंट नहीं जाए तो गर्म नहीं होता, वो अपना एटमॉस्फेरिक टेम्परेचर पे ही रहता है। लेकिन जब करंट पास होती है तो हॉट क्यों हो जाता है, हीट क्यों हो जाता है, गर्म क्यों हो जाता है, इसी चीज को हम लोग को देखना है। करंट इज पासिंग मीन्स व्हाट? देयर इज मूवमेंट, वाइब्रेशन ऑफ चार्ज पार्टिकल, इलेक्ट्रॉन, free electrons. Bounded electrons are not moving in the conductor, but free electrons are moving in the conductor. So let us consider ये thick conductor. This is a conductor of cross-sectional area A. Length is L. This is the length L. There are so many electrons are free in this conductor. Okay? Electrons are free in this conductor. It is kept in the environment. No potential difference, no field is applied on this. Because without potential difference, applying potential difference, electron will not move. But due to the temperature, atmospheric temperature, there is the thermal agitations in the electrons. So they are vibrating. They are vibrating, and due to which it comes to the atmospheric temperature. Now if let us suppose that a potential V is applied across it, ends of the conductor. Means field is applied, electric field E is applied. What will happen? There are so many of electrons. These are the dotted lines dotted dots are, these are the electrons. What will happen when we apply the potential difference? When we use the सेल को हम लोग इसके क्रॉस जोड़ देंगे तो क्या होगा कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स में मूवमेंट शुरू हो जाएगी। दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन will start moving along this direction, and during movement they will collide with other free electrons. क्योंकि रास्ते में और भी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. There are so many electrons, free electrons are there, because the elements matter are these wires. Conductor is made up of large number of atoms. In each atom there are free electrons. So there are large number of free electrons. So they are moving. They during motion they collide themselves. अगर ये जितने स्पीड से चलते हैं वो कोलिजन होते हैं. कोलिजन will take place when it starts moving. इसके काइनेटिक एनर्जी होंगे. काइनेटिक एनर्जी will be there. When it collides with other, momentarily they stops. So where their kinetic energy goes? Their kinetic energy get converted into heat energy, and then again due to this potential difference they again starts with the same velocity. So the collision of the electrons are taken to be elastic, and they collide among themselves, and during collision momentarily they stops, and at that time the kinetic energy of the electron get converted into heat energy. So many collisions, large number of collisions are taking place, due to which the heat is generated, because all free electrons are moving with kinetic energy, all they collides among themselves, so they all produces heat energy. their kinetic energy get converted into heat energy and heat is produced. So what is happening here? Heat is produced on the cost of work done by this cell, external cell, in transferring charge from one point to another point. So on the cost of work done in transferring charge from one end of conductor to another end of conductor, comma, heat is produced. Heat is produced in the conductor. In the conductor. This is the main theme. This is the main theme, that on the cost of work done in transferring charge from one end of the conductor to another end, one end of the conductor to the another end of the conductor, heat is produced in the conductor. So the heat produced in the conductor, is work done, is equal to work done in transferring the charge, and electrical work done is equal to V into Q. So heat is equal to V into Q, and heat is a form of energy. From there we can also conclude that heat will be equal to work done. वर्क डन किसका होगा? चार्ज को एक पॉइंट से, एक एंड से दूसरे एंड में ले जाने में जो सेल, एक्सटर्नल सेल वर्क करेगा, उसका वर्क डन होगा. तो V into Q. So this is the heat produced. Now, since I is equal to Q by T, therefore Q is equal to, we can write IT, therefore heat will be equal to become a VIT. Heat का फॉर्मूला ये भी हो जाएगा. Now from Ohm's law we know that V is equal to IR. So we can put in place of V IR, then H is equal to IR into IT. So this will be I square RT. H is equal to I square RT. If we put I is equal to V by R in this equation, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. In equation 2, what we will get? We get H is equal to V square by R into T. This is the another form of heat. This is equation number 4. So these are the expression for the heat produced in the conductor, and what is the heating effect and why heat is produced. I have explained it. Okay, thank you. Now we will discuss power consumed in the next video. Power consumption, we can do it.